Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make a quick tutorial about a game called Avowed, and in this tutorial I'm going to share with you guys that how you actually can get a copy of the game guys for free. If you want to learn how to do this in your platform that you are playing, then watch the video until the end guys. I'm going to share all the steps I did for myself so you can learn it also you how to do it in your own. So it's pretty simple to do it guys. Just make sure you grab your smartphone in your hand. It doesn't matter the device that you're going to have, iOS or Android. I'm going to use my screen recorder from phone to show you the steps you need to follow. We are going to get a game code guys which you can redeem after a copy of the game guys for free. So you just need to go to internet browser guys. You can use iOS, you can use you can use Safari, you can use Google. Go and just search about this site. It's called Lulu Coupons. And make sure you check it one more time good the site guys, you don't make any mistake. You just enter inside. It's going to look like this. You can press the dark mode here in the corner on the top. For the background it's more visible like this, and you can use a searching bar. You're just gonna scroll it and find the game guys. Here it is. You can check also for other things inside the site. There are many on it. So you just need to press show coupon code guys, and then you just need to wait a couple of seconds for this circle to get completed until the end. All right, it's checking the validity of the coupons and it says the coupon is valid. So now you just need to press get the full code because the code is locked, and it's going to take you to this page guys, which is required to complete a little task in order to unlock the full code guys for free. So you just need to read the instructions guys. It's very simple to do it. Anyway, I'm going to explain to you as well. Okay, on the top it says download the complete to add below to unlock Avowed game code, and down below you have a note: do not use VPN or proxy, otherwise probably it will fail if you do that. So down below guys, you're gonna have a list of the apps. For different countries the apps can show up different, so don't get confused why they're not showing the same apps as me, because different apps can show different countries. Okay, important is that all the apps are gonna show to you they are for free, as you can see here in the corner on the side, and all the apps are from Play Store and App Store, so you don't have to worry about guys, everything is legit. So all you have to do, you just need to choose two of the apps to complete it as a task. Try to find which is the easiest one so you don't lose too much time as well. So I'm going to show you how you can do this. For example, is this Evertail here. You just need to press on it. It shows again the instruction. It's very simple. It says just download and run it for 30 seconds, the app. So unlock now. It's going to not to take too long, guys. It's going to take you to App Store. As you can see, just download it. If you are using Android device, it's going to take you to Play Store. And once I'm gonna download this game, I just need to open for 30 seconds. This is the task required. Okay, so okay, here we are. We're doing the first one, and then I'm gonna go back to the site guys to do the second one, and then I'm gonna share to you that how you can actually reveal and use the code. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back to the site. I'm gonna do the second one. Okay, I'm going to choose Lumus VPN. Very simple as well, just to download it, to run it for 30 seconds. Again, it's going to take me to App Store. Okay, download now. All right, so as you can see guys, it's not so difficult. Anyway, if you have any issue or something, just let me know in the comment section guys. I'll be very happy to get in touch with you and try to help with everything you need. Okay, we are doing now also this second app. Okay, and now guys, you get back again to the site, and all you have to do, you just need to get back to the site, and as you can see guys, here is going to show up the code, and code got revealed. You just need to copy, give a like to the site, and now I'm gonna put this code to see if it works, and here it is guys. You just continue, and as you can see, the code get activated successfully. So basically this is it guys. I hope it was helpful and useful. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the like button. See you in the next videos. Cheers.